guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a nice Victoria's Secret wavy look using the Instyler. I just washed my hair with my fave, Mane and Tail. That's the original shampoo and the original conditioner. So I just washed my hair. I actually just let it dry naturally, so it's like good and frizzy looking for you guys. See, it's all frizzy on the ends. So I'm going to show you how to use the Instyler. It's so quick and easy. It's the Instyler Max. Okay, it's really cool. Now I am going to just be a bit haphazard with my sectioning, I suppose, because I want it to be that kind of loose beachy wave. I don't want it to be like really like structured. So I'm gonna just give it a little spritzy, let's see, with this hair strengthener, Mane and Tail as well, and it's a really good heat protecting spray. It's a really good all-rounder because it actually, I'll just show it to you there, it actually like protects your hair against UV rays, against heat appliances. It's a hair strengthener, so it's like has all these ingredients that fortifies your hair from the inside out, so it's just like really good replenisher. It's just kind of a good thing to use on a daily basis. Sometimes I would put it in when my hair is wet, but I wanted to use it just before I did the Instyler. And just to show you guys just how kind of little you put on, you just give it a little spritz just to protect. So as you can see, I clamped the Instyler around my hair. This barrel is rotating. It's a really bad camera angle for me, but sure, that is life. Okay, so there's one little wave, and then I'm going to wrap the other one around here. So you can see I'm taking quite big sections, so it's not going to take you all day, like it'll only take you a few minutes. If you want, what I would usually do if I was doing this on someone else is I'd gather up that pin, or that hair, and pin it just to hold until it kind of sets. But it's just a bit finicky to do on myself while I'm trying to show you guys how to use the Instyler. So let's take another little bit here. Okay, see that there, and then so look, I'm wrapping it around the barrel. Probably should have brushed my hair a bit better before I did this. I'll brush this out. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Like, so quick. Okay, do a bit of this side now. I'll come up a bit closer to you. Watch. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap it around. Kind of, you can leave the end loose or you can tuck it in. I kind of like to leave the end loose because I kind of don't want it to be too like curled, so it kind of gives you that kind of beachy looseness. Beachy looseness. There's a new one. You can see that it's kind of just like a gorgeous texture on it, see, compared to that side. Can everyone just take a moment to appreciate my new Apple Watch? Look how cool that is. It's the little things, guys. Okay. I'll just show you what it does look while we're doing that. Okay, hang on. Watch that. Look at the fire. Super cool, isn't it? There we go. We're nearly there, would you believe? So we're 4 minutes and 44 seconds into this video and it's actually nearly done, look. I have any bits, I have a few straight bits there at the front, so I'll go back to those. Let's just get this bit here. Lovely. Okay, and then I have this bit here. So just throw that over there. There we go. Okay, I really should brush that. Hold on. There we go. I know I was leaving it fuzzy for you, but that's a bit much now. Now, let's take this bit. My hair just feels so like soft after I used that. It was just feeling so frizzy and dry the winter, but now it actually feels like hair again. Mane and Tail Original is amazing for that, just to give you a bit of nourishment. A lot of the time I'd use gentle clarifying. Gentle clarifying would be kind of best for my hair type because my hair is so oily, and it kind of just, it's great because it strips the oils. But the Original is what I would go to just to give it a bit of a boost, you know. Look at the gloss, the shine on it. I think this is my last section already. Sometimes I feel, because you automatically tend to do the front bits first, and sometimes I feel when that happens, it's like as if your tool isn't like fully hot enough yet. So I'm going to probably go back over these two little front bits at the front, just to kind of give them a bit of a boost. I always find, even if I'm using a GHD or a wand, and you start automatically at the front when you're doing your own hair, whereas when I'm doing someone else's hair, for, you know, naturally I'd start at the back. And it's funny because I always notice the front bits drop quickly because I'd say the tool isn't heated up enough, so it's gone proper full whack now. That's why it's always good to use your heat protection spray. Especially if you're going to be going back over bits like I do. Yeah, that's more the way I wanted it to look like. The front, yep. And then we'll do this bit. So I usually have highlights in my hair, which really, I think, always shows off a curl a little bit better or a wave a bit better. It's kind of hard to see the definition on dark hair, isn't it? But I just covered over them because it just felt so dry. And now that is looking good. So you see the look we're going for there? It's kind of like a tossed Victoria's Secret style wave. Very, very easy to do. The Instyler just makes it so easy. Always make sure you prep your hair with a good product, and then afterwards I just give it a little spray. Such a dull day out there. Just give it a little bit of a spray.